Kenya's police are facing legal action after shutting down central Nairobi during protests marking the second anniversary of the Gen Z uprising. A rights group has filed a contempt case against the police chief, accusing authorities of ignoring a court order. The unrest that followed brought back painful memories of the violent 2024 protests that left dozens dead. On Friday, June 26, the Katiba Institute filed an urgent application against Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja. The right groups argues that police erected roadblocks and razor wire barricades across Nairobi on June 25th in violation of a High Court order issued in July 2025. That order requires police to issue a public notice before blocking access to roads. According to court documents, the Katiba Institute is asking the court to cite Kanja for contempt and impose sanctions. The group also said the blockade endangered lives by blocking emergency medical services and ambulances. The protest honored victims of the 2024 anti-government demonstrations sparked by rising living costs and corruption. On June 25, 2024, thousands of young Kenyans stormed parliament. Security forces opened fire. According to official figures, at least 60 people were killed. According to a police watchdog, at least 127 people were killed during protests in 2024 and 2025, with security forces accused of using excessive force and acting with near total impunity. On Thursday, police sealed off major highways, including Thika Road and Mombasa Road. Thousands of commuters were stranded. Schools and businesses remained closed. Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen had assured Kenyans on June 24th that the anniversary would be a normal working day. Instead, police arrested more than 350 people across the country. Murkomen later defended the operation, saying intelligence suggested criminal groups planned to infiltrate the demonstrations. Families of those killed in 2024 are still demanding justice. They said the government's $15 million compensation fund lacks transparency. According to political analyst Nerima Wako, who spoke to Reuters on Thursday, the government has failed to issue a formal apology. She said, and I quote, "There are no reparations without justice. You cannot equate any life. Life is priceless." The contempt case is now set to test whether Kenya's police can be held accountable for defying court orders while policing public protest. Next year, Kenya heads to the polls for a general election. President William Ruto is expected to seek a second term. According to analysts, his approval ratings are low, and the youth demographic that powered the 2024 protest may now vote against him. The anger that fueled the Gen Z uprising 2 years ago has not gone away. The protests may no longer occupy the streets daily, but the underlying frustrations remain. How President Ruto handles the simmering tensions over the coming months will likely determine whether he survives at the ballot box next year. I am Otaria Benjamin, reporting with clarity on the issues that impact our continent. This is Media Room Africa.